What's up, guys? We're here in JPM. We are doing group break number 5, team randoms for Pristine, JPM 116. We're going to go live. We're live at 7:58. Oops. There we go. 7:58 here in Denver. I will go and grab the names. We got Grant on top and King on the bottom. Copy and paste that 3 times. No spaces in between. And we got all the teams here. Let me open up a new document. There we go. All right, 3 times on each. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2, and 3. Grant on top. Justin on the bottom. There we go. And 3 times on the teams. 1, 2, and 3. Good luck, everybody. Ottawa on top. And I will scroll through the names real quick. And there you guys have it.